Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear source image and the right AI tool for your goal. You want an editor for tweaks, a generative model for big changes, or a face swap for replacements. Once chosen, make a copy and organize files so you can revert if needed. Make sure the image meets basic requirements, resolution, lighting, and subject clarity, because AI models rely on that input quality. Now open the tool, load the copy, and set a low-risk preset to preview changes. Once the file is loaded, run a conservative first pass. Adjust exposure, color balance, and crop to frame the subject correctly. This improves downstream AI performance. Next, apply the model-specific operation. Use inpainting for local fixes, style transfer for mood or face alignment for swaps, and lower intensity to prevent hallucinations. Make iterative refinements. Tweak masks, change seed values, and fine-tune sliders until artifacts disappear. As you work, toggle between original and edited layers to assess progress. Finish by exporting at the original resolution and choosing the right format, PNG for lossless or JPG for smaller sizes, and preserve a versioned file name. Once exported, perform a final denoise and subtle sharpening, then inspect skin tones, edge transitions, and lighting continuity so the edit reads naturally. If you see halos, smudges, or mismatched lighting, revert to the last good version, lower the AI strength, refine your mask, or rerun the operation on a smaller region. That one troubleshooting trick usually fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.